What's up, y'all? Today we're about to take off this front door. It's to a 2020 GMC Canyon. I'll show you how to get the gasket off. We are going to pop it from the top. So I'll show you how right here. I like to get in under this plastic right here at the bone. I also like to have two so I have even force. So I like to just pop it out. I like to go right to left. Shouldn't take too much force, only when you're out around here. But we're just going to keep walking it down and get this door panel out. So at that point, you know, you pretty much can pull this gasket out. I like to come over here on this side. I like to pop it right here too in this area, just to give me a little bit more space to get in right here. Just like that. At that point, gasket's ready to get taken out. Pull it out. That. There you go. That's how to take off the front gasket on a 2020 GMC Canyon.